In this video, I will show you how to create different designs using only 4 free applications in Canva. A lot of people have been asking me how I make my designs look so creative. Some even say that it's difficult to do. But what they don't know is that I only use free applications available in Canva. These 4 applications are what I usually use when designing t-shirts, posters, or even social media templates. Do you want to know what these are? I suggest you watch this video until the end so you won't miss any important information. Let's start and be creative. Open your Canva and here click on custom size. For this tutorial video, I will just set it to 1080 pixels for both width and height. But it still depends on you what size you want depending on where you will use the designs. Then click create new design. The first thing I will show you is how to instantly reshape, bend, and distort your images to add movement and depth, perfect for making static designs come to life. So here on the left side, just scroll down and you will see the app section. Then click it. After that, go to the search bar and type transform image. Then click this logo. Once you open it, you will see upload your image. Then just click choose file and select the image you want to transform. Drag the image to adjust the perspective. You can use your scroll wheel, pinch, or use the slider below to zoom in and out. Then, once you're satisfied with the perspective of your image, just click Add to Design. Next, just duplicate this image. Then, we will now add text. So, add a heading. For example, I will put model. Go to font and select Archivo Black. Then resize the text like this. If you notice, the spacing of each letter here is a bit wide. So to fix this, go to spacing, then just adjust the line spacing. After that, just place it in the center and resize it to make it bigger. Next, right-click and select this layer. Then click Show Layers. And here on the left side, drag the text between the 2 perspective images. And to make our designs more engaging, let's change the background color. So go to Color and I will just choose from the Photo Colors option. Then, also change the text color to white since we have a dark background. Next, go to Effects, select Lift, and adjust the intensity to 100 to make the text more readable. And there you have it. You now have a perspective image. Super easy, right? So let's move on to the next application. With this app, you can curve, twist, and warp your fonts to create eye-catching typography that grabs attention and breaks away from the usual boring text style. So go to Apps again, then search for the type warp and click this logo. Here, you can type any text you want. For example, if you're designing for a t-shirt, you can definitely use this for your text design. After you add your text, you can also change the font style, and you will have plenty of options to choose from. Of course, you can also change the color of your text. Just click this option, and here, you will find many color choices. Just remember, if your text is light colored, your background should be dark to make it more readable. Next, under shape, you will see many styles you can select depending on the design you are creating. And when you select a shape style, different types of shape options will appear below. Then, in the bend option, you can adjust it depending on the style you want. Once you are satisfied with your text, just click Add to Design. And it will automatically be added to your editing page. Next, let's add another text to give more meaning to our design. So here, I just chose a font that matches well with the warp text we made earlier. Then, I added another text below to balance our text design. For this one, I use a calligraphy style font. Now, let's move to the next app. With this application, you can place your words inside creative frames to instantly level up your design. No complicated steps needed. So, go to Apps and search for Font Frame. Then, click this logo. Once you open this app, in this part, we will now add our text. I will type Travel. Then click Font and I choose the Anton font. Then, in the frame border option, you can also change its color. Next, click on border weight. It is up to you how thick or thin you want your border in the font frame. Next, you can also adjust the letter spacing or line spacing if you have a double line text. After that, we will now select an image to place inside the text. So, click Choose File, then select the image you want to put inside our frame text. Once done, scroll down and simply click Add to Design. And there you go! You now have text with an image inside. And to make our design even better, let's just upload an image and resize it to cover the entire page. Next, go to Position and drag it downward. Then, click on the background and change its color to black. To make the font frame we created more readable, click the image background, then go to Transparency and reduce it. Next, let's just add text again. The text I am putting here are just samples for you, so you can have an idea of how to use the apps I am sharing with you. It's still up to you what style or design you want to apply. Next, let's move on to our last app. This application will allow you to describe something using text, and it will automatically generate it into an anime-style artwork. It's like having an AI filter, but more customizable and ready to blend perfectly into your Canva designs. So go to Apps, then search for anime style. And click this logo. Here, you just need to describe the image you want and it will automatically generate it as an anime style. For example, wearing a futuristic jacket with neon blue accents and a headset. Then just click Create and wait for it to generate. And there you have it. You now have an anime style artwork. Let's try to describe another image again. And now you have applications you can use for different types of designs. Do you want to learn how to make your designs eye-catching and even add motion to your products? Click this video right here and I'll see you in the next tutorial.